strategic analysis. No subscriptions here, it's token-based. Only pay for what you use. Try your first scan now. Ever wonder what the market is actually screaming for? Stop guessing. With Master AI today, your first scan is completely free. No credit card, no commitment, just raw data. In with a quick login and meet your new intelligence dashboard. This isn't just another SEO tool, it's a direct line to global sentiment. Watch how it works. Enter any niche, and the engine starts triangulating. It's scanning X for hype, Reddit for pain points, and Google for intent, all in real time. You aren't seeing what happened last month, you're seeing what's happening right now. Found a goldmine? Perfect. One click exports your entire gap report to a clean PDF. From there, just drop it into a tool like Gemini or ChatGPT to get deep, strategic blueprints for your next build. The best part? No expensive monthly subscriptions. Our usage is token-based, so you only pay for the intelligence you actually use. Ready to find your unfair advantage? Try your first scan for free at the link below.